Alright, I'm gonna do low pass.
Right after your low pass, I'm going up.
Right.
Timer cleared. Take off flaps.
Woo! Woo! Sheesh, Nate. Crazy man.
Timer cleared.
I'm gonna do it slower, guys. Wait, are you up?
No, not yet. I will after you. After your pass, I'm going up. Going up.
Trying to get comfortable with
Flaps
this
up.
thing. Low pass again, guys. Low. Dude, that was sick. Is that good, Nate? Oh, shut up. Hey, at least I'm the one that did.
Okay, fast low pass from the right.
Low pass, Nate.
Where is everybody? I got to stick with everybody else on their passes.
Me and Nate are,
I see you guys.
wanna do a formation pass?
I see you guys. I'm on you.
Alright,
I'm
go
on
low
you.
pass. Alright. Low pass. Oh, what was that? Come on, Nate.
You cut it, then I cut in front of you. Because you don't go the full length of the runway, you cut over like the first one.
Yeah, because I don't want to, if I crash, I don't want to. I mean, I was... Low pass, guys. Wait, that thing is fast.
That was slow. That was a slow pass.
Well,
Let me go fast. Okay, everybody landing or what? What's going on?
Yeah, I gotta land.
Okay.
I'm landing after Nate.
We all want to see full throttle.
After everybody lands, I'll go crazy.
Hurry up. I actually missed my time.
If you're with the Hawk, you're good. What size pack do you have?
Me, I got a 4500.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
I know. I Nate, what side are you landing on? I'm just gonna land, okay, Nate?
Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh, did you see that? Look. Nate, look. You see that,
Nose
Nate?
up.
Oh, I levitated.
That was a Ray move.
Downwind low pass. Okay.
Nate, did you see I was levitating? Did you see that?
Okay, I'm doing a downwind low pass.
That's right.
Downwind low pass from the left.
With a jet, I don't know about that.
Take station 5.
Downwind low pass from the left.
Seconds.
You guys ready? Okay.
Get out of the way. Yeah, he's out of your way. You got clear skies ahead of you.
Alright, I'll do one too.
Just broke some city ordinance. I don't know what it is, but something.
I'm breaking rules.
Everyone likes that.
9, 8, 7,
Everyone likes Ray.
5, 4.
Now, at least when he does his full throttle.
I still got time, so I'll keep
Time
going.
expired.
I'll blast Ryan on his landing.
Woohoo, look at that. He's in orbit.
Who's dragging? Woo! Look at that.
Yikes. Who needs a turbine when you got that? Screw
You
that
don't.
shit.
You don't. It's an electric turbine.
Electric boogie boogie. And now what's in these guys?
This is the same system that's in the Hawk is in this,
Oh wow.
but it's just a cleaner, smaller airframe. And I'm using a 5000. 30C 5000 even. Just it likes that extra capacity. This is throttle off.
Very smooth, efficient airframe.
1 minute.
It's like a
over.
motor with wings.
Nice.
One more downwind pass and I'm coming in.
That's a good time to feel it. The cubby's way out on the distance there.
Fast pass from the left.
You're clear.
It's alright, it's me.
Gear down.
Landing from the right. That doesn't sound right. Sounds like something's rubbing.
Flaps up.
Nice.
There we go. Alright. I'm loving it.
Yeah.
That's just a 30C pack too. That's nothing fancy.
I wonder what you put the Venoms, those, or actually not the Venom, the 50C.
I have
Little heavier, though.
I put 60Cs in here. They're okay. I don't know what it is about the 5000, just that little bit of extra weight.
So you don't see much of a difference to going up to 60C?
No,
Well, yeah, I may just counteract with the extra weight.
the weight. Yeah, that's what I think it is.
You reach that sweet spot.
I think that the weight's just adding more.